Okay, today on the bench we have a broken iPad. This is a model number A1397, which is just a standard iPad 2, 16 gig iPad 2. Powers up, at least it did, before my kid was playing with it. There it goes. Got the Apple. So it powers up, everything's fine, runs fine. But glass is all shattered here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed. Okay, in order to fix this, I went on Amazon and I bought a fixed cracked screen replacement kit for an iPad 2. They don't say the model number, so you gotta go to Apple and you gotta cross this model number over to an iPad, make sure that that's an iPad 2, and then get the right screen replacement kit. Screen replacement kit comes with a suction cup, little bag of tools, like there's a screwdriver, power pick spudger, a little plastic spudger, another little long plastic spudger, and a metal spudger. So there it looks like there's seal, and then the glass, and a glass cleaning. There's the new glass. Comes with the adhesive already on it. So should be pretty easy to put together. Just gonna heat it up with a heat gun and kind of work my way around. Got the spudger in under there. Just keep heating and frying. Got a few other spudgers from fixing iPhones back in the day. Use these as spacers here. So I kind of work my way around. It's coming off a lot easier than I thought it would. Camera piece is stuck a little bit. I'll just get that off. down under here. Alright, since that ribbon cable goes down underneath, we're going to take this LCD out. I need to clean it a little bit anyways. It's got some smooth line right here. That was probably me. When I was taking the screen off, I probably got it sideways and got some of the adhesive on it. So I'm going to get that cleaned off before we put the new touchscreen on. This is the backlit LCD panel. It's also kind of made out of like plastic or something. A lot of times I call it glass because in the early days it was made from glass, but I think it's made out of plastic nowadays. White, so I got her white. Looks like the right one. Alright. I've been working at this for a while with just some goo gone. That's what I want, or some goof off, which is what I wound up with. I tried acetone and it caused a problem right through the cup and bled all over my bench there. Very sharp edge here too. So I was digging in and with the paper towel, and it cut right through the paper towel and into my finger. So it's a very sharp edge there, especially if you're pushing on it to try and get the goo off. But it's been, I don't know, about 20 minutes probably, and I've made it all the way around to there. That's why they must charge so much to replace the glass, because it takes forever to get the adhesive off, the old adhesive off. So just keep working at it, and we'll get her. I got most of the adhesive cleaned off. I didn't clean it off these plastic bits here and these speakers here. I think these are speakers. I don't know. It's got a crack in it right there too, but I think that would be okay. I cleaned it off all the metal. And I got things looking pretty good. Move the glass over. this. So this is clean. So we just want to make double sure the LCD is nice and clean. This foam around here, this foam around the edge of the LCD is just giving me trouble. It's all deteriorated. And I keep touching it with the cleaning cloth and it keeps getting on the display. So hopefully you don't have that problem. I mean, this is an IPAD2, so it's fairly old. Button. If it doesn't come with a button, you might have to move that button over, which I don't know how difficult that is. I'm not going to mess with it. Hi, Brad here. I just wanted to take a second and personally thank you for watching my video. If you could click the subscribe button down here, I'd appreciate it. I also selected another follow-up video for you up here, and if you could give me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.